Alright, let's further explore some of the possibilities in the content creation area. You see the list that I have here. You may want to add some to that. You may want to also delete or hide some of these items. Let's take a look at each one. If I simply want to edit one of the course content creation tabs, I simply click the down chevron and I see my choices. I can rename it, I can hide it, or I can completely delete it. Let's say, for instance, I want to rename that particular link. I would click on it and simply edit click the checkbox, and that's it. Now, what if I wanted to actually hide that link? I would simply click the hide link button and it will now disappear. It's still there, as you noticed, but the students will not see that. How do I know that? If I go over to the edit mode and click off, watch what happens. You'll notice that once it's refreshed, course information is now the first thing that the students would see, even though you as the instructor would see the hidden link for that course content area. Pretty slick. Alright, what if I want to add an area? Well, then that's where we come to the content creation box up here, this little plus sign in blue. Now we have quite a few options. We can create a content area, we can create a blank page, we can create a tool link, a course link, an external link, a module page, and we can even now add a subheader and create a divider. So let's take the very first one. We create a content area. Let's say, for instance, that you want to add a content area called weekly assignments. You simply type it in, you tell it whether you want it to be available or not to the users, and click submit. And now you'll notice, as always in Blackboard, it goes to the bottom. Well, I want to move that up to just above the assignments area, and I'm going to do that, drop it in there, and there it is. You'll notice that this little gray box right here tells me that this link has no content yet. Well, we're going to go back and add that in a little bit, but that's all there is to adding one of the content links.